team is digging into more concerns over Indigo's red line construction throughout Indianapolis, and this one affects your safety. Call 6 was the first to break the news of delays with the project and the $3.5 million accelerated construction plan to get this bus rapid transit project back on track so it can open this summer. But that accelerated construction is having some missteps, and our own Paris Lubell joining us live this morning with the safety concern that has cars darting in and out of lanes of traffic. Paris, good morning.
Lauren, good morning. This is Capitol Avenue, and it's used by many during the morning commute. And the signs here say begin right turn lane, and that's if you wanted to go right on 11th Street. But once you get up to the intersection, it's a different story.
It's about to get a whole lot worse. I mean, from what I understand, it's about to become a real nightmare.
The morning rush, potholes, and now red line construction means frustration is building for downtown drivers. And in some areas of that red line construction, there's safety concerns popping up. You're supposed to follow the signs on the side of the road, but here at Capitol and 11th Street, it's not the case.
Yeah, it's a bit ridiculous.
The signs say begin right turn lane here and right lane must turn right. Even a faded arrow is still painted on the ground. But if you get into that lane, you'll end up hitting this. It's a new sidewalk ramp installed as part of the red line construction, but it sticks right into that right turn lane. We watched as car after car got into that right turn lane, then had to dart back over into the bike lane to make the right turn onto 11th Street.
What's the point of sticking out a little further rather than, putting in a right turn lane?
And those cars darting back into the bike lane are putting cyclists at risk. The new ramps were approved by the city, and that right lane will eventually become a parking lane, according to permits we obtained from the city of Indianapolis. But what about those signs and the confusion for drivers? We went to Indigo, and they say in an email to us, our construction management team have confirmed that the contractors did install temporary lane markings, which have been degraded due to the winter weather, snowplows, rain, and traffic. But Call 6 is finding they never took care of those signs, and when we asked Indigo about them, they say they've directed their contractors to take them down. And this morning, those signs are still here, and we've talked to Indigo originally on Friday. They said they would take care of those signs. They are still not down as of this morning. Indigo also telling us drivers should be aware of potential changes in their construction zone, even though the signs may say one thing, just to be aware while you're out there driving. For now, we're live this morning. Paris Lubell, RTV6.